Sendspark makes it easy to send personalized videos at scale in SalesLoft emails. For example, in the template area here, you say on the thumbnail, it says, "Hi there, wanted to show ... And in the preview, it is updated to say, "Hi George, wanted to show ... This video will continue to automatically update for every contact in the sequence. This is super easy to set up in Sendspark. All you need to do is record or upload your video in the Sendspark platform. And then from this video share page, you can add the dynamic variables. So once you send this video out in SalesLoft, the dynamic variables will automatically populate with your contact information. So for example, you can add this to the header that goes above the video, something like, "Hi, first name." You can add below the video, wanted to show how we can help, company name. And then of course you can add a call to action. So this could be like sign up free, or more likely book a demo, and you can add a link to your calendar scheduling page so someone can schedule a meeting with you immediately after getting the video. This is the video share page. Also note you can customize this with your own branding here. And this is what people will see when they watch the video. What we were actually looking at before here is the video thumbnail. So this is what people see in the inbox. And you can customize this by clicking on share. And then from here, just click on customize. And now you're able to add a caption. You can see it's already been added. And same thing, you just click personalize and add the variables here. To share this in SalesLoft, all you do is click on this SalesLoft button. This is going to copy a code snippet to your clipboard. And then you can go ahead and just add this to any template in SalesLoft. So for example, I'm going to delete this, and then I can Command V, paste this here, and you now see exactly what was there before. You can use this in all of your sequences, as well as just your emails with templates to send automatically personalized videos. So I hope this helps you connect at scale. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in the platform, but otherwise, happy recording. Thanks.